Hello YouTubers! Welcome to my action-packed video. I hope you enjoy my writing as much as I do. Please comment and be sure to subscribe for more great videos. This is a MaxRPM production. Bye for now.
Don't you hate it? Bloody screw. Look at that. Gonna have to fix that. That's all, let's take him out. Nothing worse than getting a flat tyre. Yeah. Nice. Oh well. Get rid of that. Now I fix this puppy, you're going to need to get yourself a toolkit, punch repair toolkit. There are a few different ones on the market. This is the type that I like to use. Been pretty successful with it in the past. Which is this unit here. That's the rubber grommet that's going to be shoved in. You can use your air canisters to pump it up with your attachments if you so desire, but as I'm not in the middle of nowhere, I'll be hanging on to those and use my compressor. Save the canisters for a rainy day. This is actually a BMW factory repair kit. Get a bit of glue in there, your adapter for your air tank, and a little blade. Now, I recommend boring this out with your borer. Watching tails are shoving that thing in there. This has got some serrated edges on it, pushing it all the way in and working it through. You know what? That's a pain in the backside. I prefer to do. Put the drill in there. And work the drill around it. Got a very big drill bit. This is on there, 7 or 8 mil. What you're trying to do is actually make a nice little hole there, so you can shove the grommet in easily without it causing you too much grief. So, once you've got all your alfoil off your little grommet here, it's simply a matter of placing it through there like so. It just pulls on there tight. You can see that, it just hooks on there. So the idea is when you push it through, the hole gets pushed in, and this part here sits in the tyre wall. That's on the inside of the tyre, that's on the outside part of the tyre. So you can see the trouble we're going to have if that hole's not big enough, which it's not. I'll get myself yeah, this one's about an 8 mil, so work them in the hole there, work it around the place. So what we're going to see now is if that's going to go in there easily. So if it doesn't, you're going to ruin your rubber grommet. Let's put a big that's going to do the job, I reckon. Plenty of glue around her. helps lube it up as well. So what we're going to do, hopefully, is push that in there like so, and pull him out. Wipe your hands, and there you have it. With a bit of luck, that it's going to bed in there nicely. So I put a bit of air in there, about 20 psi. Can't see too much of the way of bubbles coming out of there. Okay. Yeah, so after that you use the blade on your little kit you got and just cut the excess off the top there. Doesn't have to be a neat job. Cut him off. Nice. Check it again. Okay. Put a bit more air back in and we'll have another look. So, there you have it folks, for all intents and purposes. That is a plugged hole. You could ride around this for the length of the life of the tyre if you want. It'll certainly hold in there if you've done it properly. It won't be popping out. I'd probably tend to get a new tyre though, just in case when it starts running down you start to compromise the plug that's in there. But it'll certainly get you out of trouble and get you back on the road, get you down to that bike shop. Yeah, so this is the kit I was using. That's my plug pusher inner dash hole borer, at which stage I opted to use the power drill. That's your plug for these canisters. This type here you can actually use a couple of times, hold more air. Actually really good. Innovations CO2 canister. Please recycle. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. Got your cord for those hard to access spots. Screws on there, cracks it. Screw your cord in there and away you go. Or you can use the old trusty canister type. Like I said before, simply a matter of inside there's a little pin. Once you screw it up into here, it pops that pin. So of course you put the other end in on your tube first, screw the end of the tube, then you screw your canister on afterwards, and you simply tighten it up and it just releases. Two of these will get you about 20 psi from a completely flat tyre. And of course your plugs and your glue. No worries, I hope I've been some help, and yep, thanks for watching guys. I'm going to grab myself a new tyre. See you for now.